This is Abby from Realistic Kitchen and Gardens, and today I'm going to show you basically how I prepare chicken breast to grill it. Here is one of the boneless chicken breasts from me pulling it off of a whole bird. You can see it went a little wide, but life goes on. You can do this multiple ways. You can cut them into strips, or if you want to pull the tenderloin off. So here's the tenderloin or chicken tender, whatever you call it. I'm just gonna pull it right off with my nice sharp knife. You can follow it right along the seam. And there you go, a chicken tender. And then to make this even, you can either pound it between wax paper, parchment paper. I'm just going to be slicing it down the middle, what a lot of people call a chicken cutlet. So what I do is stretch my fingers out, hand completely flat, and we're going to go halfway between the board and your hand because you don't want to cut your hand. And we're just going to run our sharp knife nice and parallel so you get two pieces of chicken, hopefully right about the same thickness. And if I can keep myself in a line, there you go. Now, I'm going to actually just cut this little teeny tail off. The next step is seasoning this chicken. Our dinner tonight is going to be an herby potato salad, which is pretty strong. And I'm also going to be doing a green salad. So I'm going to actually leave the chicken to be its own flavor. I love the flavor of grilled chicken. So I'm not going to fancy it up. But I have the grill preheated to high. The higher your grill, the less apt it is to stick. So let me finish seasoning these and I'll see you at the grill. I'm gonna make this really quick because my teeny tiny grill loses heat really fast. Chicken, preheated grill. I have it on medium high. I've scraped it off. While the grill is still screaming hot, we're gonna plop our chicken. I'm gonna give this 1 minute. You can already watch this chicken cooking. You can see the edges of this meat turning opaque and white, especially this one. This is a good one to see. So I just give that a minute. It's been a minute and we're gonna flip. See, nice hot grill, this doesn't stick at all. If you had it a lot more, see that one stuck a little, but that was like the third piece I put in. Don't mind my rooster screaming. Fresh cutting board, fresh tongs, clean thermometer. We're gonna check this chicken breast, so we're gonna need this at least 155. That one's done. That one's done. But you can see the texture of this cooked. It's not floppy, but it does still have a little give to it. If it doesn't have any give to it, it is probably overcooked. If you like this kind of stuff, please like, comment, and subscribe.